I'm going to show you all today how to make your little full banger sound much louder today. It's a free mod. It's going to sound loud, and that's cool. Alright, so all we got is you come down here. Oh, you see this? This is your air filter box. You just take that, pop it off. Alright, lift it up, take that sucker out. Ooh, see, that's dirty. We don't need that. Just throw that off to the side. We don't need that. Alright, clip it back up. Now you got that restriction out of there. Now I'm gonna be real cool and loud. It's gonna sound awesome, right? So come on, let's get this puppy fired up now that we got our mod done. Yeah. Now we can hear that baby roar. Yeah, you hear that? That's the sound of less restriction. Boom, boom. Keep in mind now, this might just make your sensors dirtier faster, but that's all right, because you're going to be a little louder, going to sound cooler as it sucks in all that air without that restriction.